It is Saturday, October 12th, and right now I am uploading my film, my first ever feature documentary film, The Hemp Road Trip, to Vimeo, video on demand on Vimeo, and to Amazon Prime, where it will be free to all Amazon Prime subscribers throughout the United States and the United Kingdom. So if you are on there, you will be able to watch my film hopefully later this week. I have to iron out a few legal issues. Amazon Prime requires it to have English subtitles at least in order to premiere it across the United States. We have some. I don't have the money to pay for them yet, but I'm going to get that and get it all uploaded very shortly. Vimeo Direct, hopefully by tomorrow, maybe even by the time this video is uploaded, you will be able to go to vimeo.com/on-demand/the Hemp Road Trip and watch my video. All money will be going to charity because it will either be going to the Cannapedia, my nonprofit, who produced the film, or the Hemp Road Trip, the nonprofit who financed and also produced the film. So yeah, I encourage you to watch it. It's an exciting day for me. It's amazing to actually finally get to release this film to the world. It's been through the film festival circuits where it got rejected by most film festivals, and then it started winning film festivals all of a sudden. It's been on a national tour around the United States where the Hemp Road Trip and I organize screenings all around the United States. So it's been seen by hemp activists all over the country. There have been screenings in Australia, the Czech Republic, Germany, all over the world, actually. It's quite exciting. And now there's going to be the ability to watch it anywhere in the world at any time. You can rent it for 48 hours for $2.99 US, or you can buy it and own it forever for $7.99 US. So I would appreciate any support. The money, as I said, will be split between my nonprofit and the Hemp Road Trip's nonprofit, and it will help future activism and educational films. So yeah, thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing comments and feedback on the film. I'll see you guys on the other side. Happy Saturday.